Good morning, class. Today, we'll start the lesson with a little competition. On this slide, I have some tongue twisters, and I challenge you to read them as fast as you can. First, please go through these tongue twisters after me. I will read each one 3 times, and please read after me each time. Everybody, please turn on your microphones.
Okay.
Okay. First one. It's really challenging. Wild vines make fine vintage wines.
Wild wines make fine vintage wines.
Yes, I know it's challenging. Continue. Victor's friend Vincent rinses his vest in vinegar.
Victor's friend
Vincent
Victor's friend Vincent rinses his vest in vinegar.
Victor's friend Vincent rides his vinegar.
Good job, you're getting better. Stephen vainly viewed vast vales with vacant eyes.
What?
Stephen
Stephen
Wally
with vacant eyes.
Yes, Stephen vainly viewed vast vales with vacant eyes.
eyes.
Wow.
Yes, good job. Stephen vainly viewed vast vales with vacant eyes.
Wallen
Stephen
on the window
and the vessel.
I know it's hard. Woolen
really
vests
hard.
for willing wolves are worn the vast woollands.
Wallen ways to fall willing wolves are worn in the western
Land.
Great. Woolen vests for willing wolves are worn the vast woollands.
Woolen
West for willing wolves
are worn
in the Westlands.
yes, use your tongue muscles. Yeah, woolen vests for willing wolves are worn the vast woollands.
Willing wolves for willing wolves are worn in the Westlands.
Yes, you're getting better. For once, weary wanders bull gathering losses of vim and vigor.
One.
Weary
Wonderful
gathering losses and vigor.
Yes. For once, weary wanders bull gathering lost its vim and vigor.
Once weary wanders gathering lost vigor and vigor.
For once, weary wanders bull gathering lost its vim and vigor.
Wow.
Weary wanders gathering lost and vigor.
And vigor.
Which wines why whistle wool well?
Which
Well.
Where you are so cute.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Which wines why whistle wool well?
Which
Well.
Yes, you guys are getting better. Which wines why whistle wool well?
Which
Good job. Last one. Which is worse verse? Wendy's verse or Wayne's verse?
Which is worse?
Wendy's
Worse.
Yeah, you can slow it down. Which is worse verse? Wendy's verse or Wayne's verse?
Which
Wendy's
was worse? Why Wendy's were all
One more time. Which is worse verse? Wendy's verse or Wayne's verse?
Which
Which
is
is
Which is worse? Wins worse. Wins
Worse.
worse.
Great job, guys. Now I will let you practice for 3 minutes, and after the practice, I will invite some
no voice.
to do the tongue twister challenge. Okay, time for practice. Everyone, please turn on your microphone.
Hello,
Oh, hello, Rita.
can you hear me?
Yeah. Would you like to try?
Can I have a try?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, thank you. Please go on.
Just a try, okay?
Okay, let's go on. No pressure. Thank you.
I'll begin. While the wines make 5 vintage wines, Victor's friend Vincent raised his vest in vinegar. Stephen Wayne viewed the vast files with vacant eyes. Wooden whisper winning wolves are worn in the vast woodland. For once, Barry Wooders were gathering Lucy's vim and vigor. Which wins white vessel won well? Which is worse first? When this first or wins first?
That's really great, Rita. You've done
Thank
a
you.
great job.
wow.
Very
Thank
fluent.
you.
Great. Awesome.
I make it.
Anyone else want to try?
Whoa.
Yeah, I wanna try.
Great.
Oh, okay, let me start.
Yeah.
Well, the wines make fine vintage wines. Victor's friend Vincent rinsed his vest in vinegar. Stephen and Whaley viewed vast wells with vacant eyes. Woolen vests for wealthy wolves are worn in the western woodland, but once weary when the wool gathering lost its vim and vigor, which wins white weasel wore well, which is worse. When this worse or wins worse. Okay.
Wow, that's great. Thank you. Thank you, Renee. Good job. Great job, guys. I know tongue twisters can be challenging. Even native speakers can't say them properly, so no pressure. Obviously, it's not the case with most of you, but many Chinese students have trouble pronouncing the consonant V. The most common mistake is that tend to pronounce V as a W, like very instead of very, we instead of V. So today, we're gonna learn how to make the correct V sound. First, let's watch a video.
Okay.
Everybody turn off your microphone, please.
As they take the same mouth position, is unvoiced, meaning only air passes through the mouth, and is voiced, meaning you make a sound with the vocal cords. To make these sounds, the bottom lip lifts and touches the very bottom of the top front teeth. The top lip lifts a little bit to get out of the way of the bottom lip. You don't want to see your bottom lip disappear. It's actually the inside of the lip, here, that makes contact with the teeth.